up, curl gang? It's your girl Ella Slim here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your curls to look like this.
Cause even in the madness, there is peace, drowning out the voices all around me. Through all of this chaos, you are writing a symphony.
Step number 1, wash your hair, or you can also do a co-wash. You may ask, what is a co-wash? A co-wash is when you wash your hair with conditioner only. So basically, like, the reason why I say the first thing is to start with washing your hair is because to be able to get your curls to actually form, you have to not have anything weighing it down, like extra products, whatever the case is. Just wash it out and start with a clean slate. When I have a lot of time on my hands, I usually wash it with I usually wash it with a shampoo, and then after that I go in with a conditioner so that I can bring the moisture back into my hair. I don't have a lot of time, but I do want to put my hair down and I want my curls to look good. What I do is I usually just co-wash. And also another thing is you don't want to be washing your hair every single day, because what happens is your hair gets really dry, because especially a lot of the shampoos that we have now have, I think it's sulfate, I think that's what it is. It has sulfate in it, and that really dries out your scalp, which can cause you to have, dry scalp, different things that you don't want to have when you're trying to grow your hair and also like make your curls look nice, I'm gonna be showing you guys 3 steps to making your curls look like this and be defined. And you're gonna get compliments. You're gonna have everybody saying, oh my gosh, what do you put in your hair? What do you do with your hair? Keep watching and you'll see what I'm talking about. Step number 2, make sure you detangle your hair. Because if your hair is not detangled before you start trying to put your extra products in to be able to put moisture back in, what happens is your hair is not gonna look defined because it's matted. Disregard my nail. I've been trying to take these off. I know I'm looking crazy. I'm gonna take this off eventually today, but it looks so crazy. All my other nails, except for these 3, they're still on. Don't judge me, y'all. Back to what I was saying. So you just want to make sure that your hair is fully detangled, and honestly, this is how it's gonna be looking real nice. Step number 3. We're gonna go back to step number 3 is kind of step number 1, part 2. So what I mean by that is when you wash your hair, you detangle it, and then after you finish detangling it, what you do is you put in the conditioner in your hair, and then when you put in the conditioner in your hair, you could actually detangle it with the conditioner in your hair. Wash your hair, rinse it out. Then go in with a conditioner, detangle your hair with the conditioner, and then rinse it out. And then after that, you go ahead and put in conditioner again, and you massage it in your hair. And if you want to, you can leave it for like 2 minutes and turn it into like a little treatment. And then after that, you just rinse it out. So what you do after that, make sure you don't completely dry your hair. You gotta make sure you have good products. I'm gonna actually put in the description bar what I use and different alternatives if you can't find those products. Step number 3, get you a really good curl cream. The one that I use is actually Marc. I will actually put in the description bar what I use. The curl cream is optional, but I've noticed that when I do my leave-in conditioner, my oil, my hair is moisturized and it is curly, but I realized that the curls are more defined when I add in my curl cream. So you would put it all over your hair once you do everything, especially step number 1, step number 2, step number 3. So these are 3 simple steps to being able to get your results to look like this. And remember, I cannot stress this enough. Make sure you moisturize your hair, because your hair is not gonna, your curls not gonna pop on dryness. You know what I mean? So make sure your hair is moisturized. I'm not saying take the whole jar and put it in your hair, but what I'm saying is make sure you put enough that, you know, you put it all over your hair, okay? Well, thank you for watching my video. I've really been trying, y'all. I've been so busy. I really do want to post more. I know I've said that many times, but I'm gonna try to be more consistent this time. So this is not the last video, okay, y'all? Just stay tuned to my next video. If you guys have any questions, concerns, whatever the case is, you guys can send me you can comment underneath my video, or you can send me a message on Instagram. My Instagram is linked somewhere on the bottom, and if it's not, then you could click the whatever this is here. So whatever this is, either here or here, that's where my Instagram is going to be showing. Well, thank you again for watching my video. See you guys next time.